Yeah, so me and him, we were like talking online a lot, you know, like it was getting kind of serious. So I decided I had to say something to her to like, you know, be the true person and like be the that one, you know. So I call her. I'm like, hey, look, you know, this is how it is. And she's like, no, I like, oh, you know what? Like, I have to tell it to you. So just like straight up, this is it. You know, it's the way. And she's like, oh, don't be a bitch. And I'm like, no, hello, you is the bitch in this. And she's like, oh no, like, you is the bitch. And I'm like, oh, no, you is the bitch. And she's like, oh, maybe we both are bitches. And I'm like, oh, well, maybe, but you know, like, here's it. And this is it, you know? Like, I can't tell it to you more. I can't explain it to you more than this, you know? So then she hung up and I can't imagine she doesn't get it.